Hi there! You want to learn Chinese in an easy and funny way? This is the right place. I'm Julie, and you are on Gēgē Study. By the end of this video, you will be able to speak more than 20 new Chinese words or expressions. Watch until the end. I created a quiz, so you can test your new knowledge. Let's go! 家庭，家庭，丈夫，丈夫，妻子，妻子，儿子，儿子，女儿，女儿，爸爸，爸爸，父亲，父亲，妈妈，妈妈，母亲，母亲，姐姐，姐姐，妹妹，妹妹，哥哥，哥哥，弟弟，弟弟，爷爷，爷爷，奶奶，奶奶，外公，外公，外婆，外婆，夫妻，夫妻，父母，父母，兄弟姐妹，兄弟姐妹，测验。A. 父母 B. 夫妻 C. 爷爷 A. 外婆 B. 妹妹 C. 妈妈。A. 女儿 B. 家庭 C. 父母。Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, click like and don't forget to subscribe. 谢谢。